Welding is fundamental to engineering and manufacturing. The basics of welding haven't changed much over the years, and neither have the costs. Until now. Now, using the Redux Advanced Gas Control Torch, you can weld just as well, if not better, than you always did. However, achieving the highest quality welds can now be done using 50% less gas. This equates to both huge cash savings and a significant reduction in carbon footprint. The Redux torch includes a patented and unique gas-saving nozzle design, which allows the welder to set the gas flow at between 5 and 8 litres per minute, depending on the size of the torch. This produces the same quality weld as with your old torch and high gas settings. Use Redux AGC and increase your profits while saving the planet.